Guys, what's up? So how are you? So welcome to my video. In this video today I'm going to show you how you can make this batch, and this video has come after many days because my exams are going on. So now my exams are over, so I'm free. So let's see how you can make this a batch. You can see. So let's start. So guys, as you can see, it is batch. It's look like this way. See, and it's a pin backside, the all pin, normal all pin that you use and you can get in your home. The things you will need is a scale, pencil, transparent sheet that looks like this way. See, if you don't have a transparent sheet, so you can use this regular white drawing page. So let's get started how to make this. And guys, I want to tell you some important thing, if you are making on the paper, so after you have to paste that paper after drawing, so you have to paste that paper on a cardboard, then you have to paste the all pin back side. But if you are making with this transparent sheet, so you don't have to paste on a cardboard. So you have to make a square or a square like this way, and then you have to make a curve from inside, to make curve like this way from four side. So guys, now you have to make a triangular like this way. See, now you need some color like this way. You need a red color, then you will need this white color. You have to color it. You know the color of the YouTube, so let's do coloring. So as you can see, I am coloring. Now I have to cut like this way, not from borders. So guys, as you can see, like this way. Now you have to cut from borders. Now it's over, one more is left. So it's over cutting now. So now you have to turn over. Now I have to paste this all pin like this way. See, now your batch is ready. See, your batch is ready. Guys, I hope that you like my video. So thanks for watching.